Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the step to host a luxury dinner party that will leave your guests in awe. From the invitations to the final toast, we'll cover everything you need to know to create an unforgettable evening of elegance and sophistication. First, let's talk about invitations. In the age of digital communication, a beautifully crafted physical invitation can set the tone for your luxury dinner party. Choose high-quality paper and elegant typography. The exclusivity of the event. Ensure the invitation includes all the necessary details, such as dress code, date, time, and location. Sending the invitations at least 3 weeks in advance gives your guests ample time to prepare. The setting of your dinner party should exude luxury from the moment your guests arrive. Opt for a sophisticated color palette, such as black and gold or navy and silver. Pay attention to the details. Fresh flowers, high-end tableware, and soft lighting can transform your space. Candles and dimmed lights create an intimate and warm atmosphere, while a carefully curated playlist of soft background music can enhance the mood without overpowering the conversation. The menu is the centerpiece of any dinner party, and a luxury event calls for a gourmet dining experience. Start with a selection of exquisite appetizers, such as caviar on blinis or truffle-infused canapés. For the main course, that showcase premium ingredients like filet mignon lobster or a beautifully presented rack of lamb. Don't forget to cater to dietary restrictions to ensure all your guests can enjoy the meal. Pair each course with fine wines and finish with a decadent dessert such as a rich chocolate fondant or a delicate millefeuille. Service is another crucial element of a luxury dinner party. If possible, hire professional waitstaff to ensure a seamless dining experience. This allows you to focus on entertaining your guests rather than worrying about serving food and clearing plates. A well-trained staff will anticipate your guests' needs, from topping up wine glasses to providing fresh cutlery for each course, enhancing the overall sense of sophistication. Attention to detail extends to the table setting as well. Use high-quality linens, fine china, and polished silverware to create an elegant table. Personalized place cards can add a touch of class and make each guest feel special. A beautifully arranged centerpiece such as a floral arrangement or a series of elegant candle holders can elevate the table's appearance without obstructing the view across it. The entertainment you provide can make your dinner party truly memorable. Consider hiring a live musician or a small band to play soft jazz or classical music throughout the evening. Alternatively, you could prepare a few engaging activities such as a wine tasting session or a short, tasteful game that encourages mingling and conversation. Ensure it complements the sophisticated atmosphere you've created. Lastly, think about the finishing touches that will leave a lasting impression. A small, thoughtful gift for each guest can be a wonderful way to end the evening. This could be anything from a box of artisanal chocolates to a personalized bottle of fine wine. Ensure the departure is as elegant as the arrival, with a sincere thank you and a warm farewell. Hosting a luxury dinner party requires meticulous planning and attention to detail. From the moment they receive their invitation to the final goodbye, every element should. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on creating extraordinary experiences.